Now, Tushar, I'll come to you. Let Pradeep Bhandari first answer what he's heard from Tehseen Poonawalla and Mr. Saravanan. That these 272 individuals, Pradeep, are Sanghis B team of the BJP. आप लोगों ने अब इनको आगे कर दिया है.
Well, Pranesh, let me say it as direct as possible. Democracy cannot be the sufferer to launch an anarchist Rahul Gandhi's political career, which has failed in the 95 elections, which the Congress has lost under his leadership or supervision. Well, I understand the frustration of the Gandhi Vadra family, because if you study data, Pranesh, because you are a journalist who believes in data, the Congress has not been in power in Bengal in the last 42 years. The Congress has not been in power in Bihar in the last 35 years. The Congress has not been in power in Uttar Pradesh in the last 25 years. Congress has not been in power in Gujarat in the last 30 years, and Odisha in the last 25 years. That is the truth of the matter. But it's just not limited to Election Commission, because I'll tell you why. Yes, Rahul Gandhi wants to impeach every constitutional body. He wants to impeach the Chief Election Commissioner because he is not a Naveen Chawla who used to work for Sonia Gandhi's NGO. They want to impeach the Chief Justice of India because the Chief Justice of India is not A.N. Ray, who superseded 3 senior most judges and who was loyal to Indira Gandhi. They want to impeach the Vice President because the Vice President is not a Hamid Ansari who had allegations of wrongdoings in Iran. They want to impeach the President because the President is not a Pratibha Patil but a self-made tribal woman. They also want to impeach the Prime Minister and the Home Minister because they are not the P. Chidambarams who bowed down in front of the Naxals or a Nehru who made India poorer. So my larger point is they will always have problems with every democratic institution. But I give an open challenge on your show. This man who wants to create a democratic deficit in the country, Rahul Gandhi, when has any of his allegation, procedural principle or anything which Mr. Sanwada, the DMK or the spokesperson was saying, has stood merit in the court of law? Today only there was a report which
it's a wrong question, Pradeep. It's a wrong question. You can't expect merit in what Rahul Gandhi says because merit is a flawed concept. ये किस महापुरुष ने कहा था? Merit is a flawed concept. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, याद है आपको?
Absolutely. Mr. Rahul Gandhi had only said it, and it's a flawed concept. In the current scenario, it is a very flawed concept in India. Because the election commissioner is behaving like a Panna Pramukh of BJP. And all these 3 gentlemen sitting on the upstairs, along with you, 4 people, I say the more you try to defend the EC, the more your collusion and connivance with the election commission establishes. That's the point.
Sir, now don't complain about, don't complain about the placement of this, the screen, the window on the screen. I will ask the team to rearrange it. आप ऊपर आ जाइए, आप ऊपर वाले फ्लोर में रहिए, आपको बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स हो रहा है. Can we put the BJP spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari, Harshvardhan ji and Tushar in the second row? Okay. Ravi Srivastava ji, चलिए अब बोलिए सर, आंसर माय क्वेश्चन. ये जो 272 लोगों ने चिट्ठी लिखी है, ये पन्ना प्रमुख है आपके हिसाब से?
The more they defend BJP, the friends that EC, the more they expose themselves. Because that is where the nexus establishes.
सर, आपने चिट्ठी पढ़ी है? रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, आपने चिट्ठी पढ़ी है?
अरे मैंने पूरी चिट्ठी पढ़ी है. वो उनका डिवोशन है. That is their devotion toward the
इसमें उन्होंने बीजेपी के बारे में बात ही नहीं किया. एक जगह जो बीजेपी मेंशन किया है वो भी राहुल गांधी का कोट है, लेकिन फिर भी आप पन्ना प्रमुख बोल रहे हैं.
पूरे इंडिया अलायंस की डिमांड है, तो कांग्रेस के बारे में बात क्यों कर रहे हैं?
ओके, रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, ठीक है.
डिमांड है.
नाउ
इलेक्शन वाज नॉट फेयर.
काम डाउन सर, लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. देखिए, मैं आपको अभी ऊपर वाले रो में डाल रहा हूं, मुझे थोड़ा सा समय दीजिए, वो हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं. मुझे ये बताइए, ये देखिए, देयर यू आर, यू अचीव टुडे व्हाट यू बीन वांटिंग टू.